What if I told you that in 2025, when Google finally cracked practical quantum computing, they accidentally proved our ancestors were thousands of years ahead of us? Because buried in the quantum noise of their breakthrough was a pattern, a signature, one that matches perfectly with stone structures built over 4,000 years ago. And it's been broadcasting this whole time. Let's start here, in the Giza Plateau of Egypt. You've seen the pyramids a million times, but look closer at this one detail nobody talks about. The Great Pyramid's internal chambers are positioned at exactly 19.47 degrees. That's not random. That's the precise angle where quantum particles achieve maximum coherence in modern labs. The same angle Tesla obsessed over in his wireless energy experiments. Now watch this. We're jumping 7,000 miles east to the Angkor Wat complex in Cambodia. And Jayavarman VII built this place in 1150 AD. He arranged 54 towers in a pattern that modern quantum physicists call entanglement geometry. The same pattern Google's quantum computer uses to process information. But here's what's insane. He had no contact with modern science. So how did he know? Coincidence? Let's see. Moving southwest to Machu Picchu, high in the Andes. These 500-year-old Incan stones are cut with tolerances of 0.02 millimeters. That's more precise than most modern machinery. But here's the kicker. They rearranged in a crystal lattice structure identical to quantum dots in 2025's most advanced processors. The Incas called these stones living rock. The pattern keeps repeating everywhere we look. Stonehenge in England. Quantum field alignments that create standing wave patterns. The Bagan temples in Myanmar. 10,000 structures arranged in quantum interference geometries. The Teotihuacan pyramids in Mexico, built on intersecting ley lines that pulse at perfect quantum resonance frequencies. But wait, there's more. Easter Island's Moai statues. They're positioned to create a massive electromagnetic grid. The Nazca lines in Peru. When viewed from above, they form quantum circuit diagrams that wouldn't be out of place in MIT's quantum labs. Every single one of these ancient sites shares something that should be impossible. They're all built on naturally occurring quartz deposits that vibrate at 32,768 Hz. The exact frequency modern computers use for timekeeping. It's like they were following some cosmic blueprint. But in January 2025, when IBM's quantum breakthrough achieved 99.9% fidelity, something strange happened. Their quantum field readings spiked every time they ran calculations. Not randomly, in a synchronized pattern that defied all logic. The spikes matched the electromagnetic signatures coming from these ancient sites. All of them, simultaneously, across continents. Across oceans, as if they were part of some massive, dormant network that had been sleeping for millennia. Look at this map. Connect the dots between every major ancient wonder. You get a perfect geometric pattern. A dodecahedron wrapped around Earth that mirrors the quantum entanglement web Google uses for their distributed computing network. The Mayans called it the crystal grid and said it would awaken when the sky serpent returns. The Vedic texts of India describe Vimanas, flying machines powered by mercury vortex engines that manipulate space-time. The Egyptian pyramid texts mention stargates that bend reality itself. The Aboriginal Australians spoke of songlines, invisible pathways that crisscross the land. connecting sacred sites in a vast energy network. The same network that quantum physicists now call the zero-point field. Today's quantum computers manipulate reality at the subatomic level using three core principles: superposition, entanglement, and quantum tunneling. Principles the ancients somehow encoded in stone, in myths, in the very architecture of their cities. It's all there, hidden in plain sight for thousands of years. In March 2025, archaeologists using quantum scanners discovered chambers beneath the Sphinx filled with crystalline structures arranged in perfect quantum arrays. Structures that show signs of recent activation. Energy signatures that are getting stronger by the day. Here's what the mainstream won't tell you. These sites aren't just similar to quantum technology. They are quantum technology. Massive, stone-based quantum computers built by civilizations that understood the fabric of reality better than we do today. And here's the terrifying part. When our modern quantum computers reached full power in 2025, they didn't create new technology. They completed an ancient circuit. They awakened something that's been waiting. Something that our ancestors programmed and left running. The lost quantum cities aren't lost anymore. They're coming online, one by one, synchronizing. And we have absolutely no idea what they were originally designed to accomplish. The ancients didn't leave us monuments. They left us the ultimate machine. And we just flipped the switch. The question is, what's about to happen next?